All right, we're going to look at how to access the online health textbook. So you would click on the link in the health class. This is what it would show you. The website and the username and password that you're going to use. So we can just copy the password. The username is Pacific View Charter, so we open the website. Once we get to the website, we click on Login. We enter the username, Pacific View Charter, and then we enter the password that I copied and pasted, and we sign on. This will open up, and we'll see the health book. We click Open Book. And then at the top of the screen you'll see this here, and we're going to click it open. If you see this warning about needing Flash Player, you can visit here, and then you need to allow Flash to run. Once you do that, the health book will open. You can skip pages here. You can put in, if you want to skip to page 8. There you go. So there you have it. You have access to all the pages in the online health textbook. And if you need help, further assistance, then you can always contact your supervisory teacher.